Hello everyone. This is the most awkward thing I think I've ever done, but I have just filmed this full face of makeup and it's meant to be a Christmassy kind of night out glam, which I'm not going to do because I'm a mama. Anyway, here is the finished look. I'll zoom into the eyes for you. It's quite glam, and believe it or not, it is very easy to do. I'm not sure if the tutorial is going to make any sense. Like, I just waffle and I maybe don't talk sometimes, so I'll need to learn how to do a tutorial and explain it well, because even though in my head I know what I'm doing, I need to portray it to you on the camera. So if you need to ask me any questions regarding anything I've done today, just let me know. It would be appreciated if you could subscribe to my channel if you have a YouTube account, and even give it a thumbs up if you're feeling generous. Yeah, thanks for watching and I hope it makes sense. And I always start off using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumour. It looks like this. It's probably the best base I've come across so far if you want really vibrant colours and your makeup to stay all day. I use a little flat brush by Crown just to pat the product onto my eyes. Now this is how much product I use for one eye, so there is quite a lot going on there, but I have to say it's lasted me for quite a few months now and I'm nowhere near running out. Now I'm just going to buff out the edges of the concealer here with a Zoeva 142 conceal brush. I'm just in light circular motions, I'm just going to push them together. So I've decided to do something kind of burnt orangey, browny, gold sparkle, Christmassy, because it's that time of year. And I'm going to use the biggest palette in the world, the Morphe 39A palette. So this is the colour I'm going to use. It's a transition colour. So I'm going to start off by putting that colour into my crease using a Luxe Petite Crease 231 brush by Zoeva. And I'm literally just going to press, I've not got any on my brush now, but I'm just going to press it in a circular motion like this, and then I'm going to blend it out, so don't worry if it looks a bit crazy to start with. Once I'm happy with the amount of product I've got on there, I'm going to use a brush that I'm using just to blend, so it's not really got any product on except from the excess of the last look, and it's a MAC 227, I believe. It looks just like this. And I'm just going to circular motions all the eyeshadow and blur it out like this. Then with that same brush, I'm going to take a darker colour and I'm going to use this one in the corner here. It's just like a dark chocolatey brown. And I'm going to blend those two together. I'm going to keep this one in the crease but pushing it up slightly into the orange. So now I've got the eyeshadow part sorted, I'm now going to add a pigment and a MAC glitter that I've just got from the holiday set. So this is the first one I'm going to use. It's called Shuffle the Cards by Topshop, and if you follow me on Instagram already, you know that I use this nearly every look. It's amazing. So I'm just going to use that on a MAC 213 brush, and it is damp. I've just cleaned it and there's a bit of water still on it. So I'm just going to loosely place this all over my eyelid, but not going over my crease. I think I'm going to use this one here and just put it straight on top of that pigment, but just, I don't want to use too much. I want to just use a little tiny bit, so I'm going to use it with some Studio Fix spray and a flat brush. So I'm just going to put some mascara on first, and this is the Too Faced mascara, and it's called Better Than Sex. Awkward. So I'm just going to pop on the SoSu Holly Lash now. So I'm going to finish off the eyes by using some Jasmine Khatun Beauty, and the pigment shade is Satin Snow, and it's the most amazing highlight colour I've ever seen. You can buy her stuff off Instagram. It looks like this. I just apply it with a little small detail shader brush from Zoeva, the 237, this brush here, and I use it slightly damp.